it was written also by Sian Lim.
Yes po.
And his girlfriend, Irish.
Yes.
So what do you think of their collaboration, their teamwork, based on the script and the story that they came about? Silang dalawa nagsulat.
Yes, sila po. Actually, nung una po, hindi sila. May writer po kami. It's just that nagkagulo yung schedule, may prior commitment na yung writer. Sila na po yung nag-revise ng story. Hanggang dumating po kami sa final na ito, yung ginawa po namin ng kumanto. Siguro po sa tingin ko po, naging maganda rin kasi silang dalawa po talaga yung may idea ng film na to eh. Pati yung script po, sabihin na lang natin, they're not really script writers po, diba? But they did it. Okay naman po yung script sa akin. Kasi hindi na lang po siguro ganun kalinis, but may freedom po kami to rephrase everything. Sabi nga po ni Direk Sian, kung may gusto kaming palitan namin. Wala pong problema sa kanya. So ganun din po siya ka-open, na parang hindi naman niya sinasabi na dapat ko ano lang yung sinulat namin, yun lang yung gagawin mo. We were free to do kung ano yung nasa isip namin na tama, na hindi awkward sabihin, na kung may mali ba dun sa sinulat nila, pwede namin po itama. Yun.
You mentioned earlier that Sian is hands-on. So was Irish also on the set? Is she also hands-on?
Yes, nandun po siya palagi sa system, nandun po siya sa screen ni Direk Sian.
So they work together well?
Yes, as in, palagi po sila magkasama talaga. As in, silang dalawa po yung, paano ba? Actually, may mga pinapalitan mga po silang eksena eh. During the shoot. Kasi nga, syempre, parang nakita siguro nila na mas bagay palang ganito ang gawin natin. So medyo minsan nagpapalit kami ng eksena, ng konti po, nag-a-adjust kami. Maganda rin po, kasi sila na may nagsulat eh. Sila yung may kabuuan na, alam ko yun, kung ano may napipicture nila sa mind nila, nung sinulat nila yon. So ako po nagtiwala na lang ako pag sinabi nila na pwede ba natin adjust ng ganito, gagawin na lang po namin.
Parang unusual, horror stories sinulat nila, dapat love story. Maybe the next project. For thank you, Cindy. For Althea,
Yes,
kasi you got good reviews in Dollhouse. Ang galing-galing mo doon. Hindi ka ba na-pressure to outdo yourself here sa Kumantong?
For me po, medyo po. Kasi po, magaling po si Ate Cindy, magaling po si Kuya Max, is a horror. Iba po yung genre niya from Dollhouse, Instant Daddy. Medyo po na-pressure po kasi nakakahiya po kung hindi ko po galingan. Ang gagaling po nila. Kaya po, from the start pa lang po ng movie, sabi ko po, Althea, galingan mo. You have to do this. You want to do this. You want to do this. Nai-excite po kasi talaga ako kapag challenging ang movie. So, nung nabasa ko po yung script na to, sabi ko, ay, gusto ko po ito. So, ayun po. Pero, syempre, hindi naman po ako, nahirapan po ako, pero hindi po ako ganun nakahirap. Kasi po, ano po si Ate Cindy, ano po si Direk, they're always telling me how I can pass through the scene, how I can, paano po ako pwedeng atakihin tong eksena po na to ng maayos, ng maganda, at ng maibubuti po ng movie. Kaya, yun po. I love you po. I love you po so much. I love Direk kasi po, they helped me throughout the hardest scenes in the movie. Yes po, yun po.
How old are you, Althea?
11 po.
Really sound, you're wise beyond your years.
Very young.
Congrats!
Thank you po.
Thank you, Tita.
Alright, maraming salamat, Mr. Po ay may prior commitment as much as he would have loved to be here. Pero maraming salamat daw po sa lahat ng pumunta at sumuporta. Okay, let's move on to our next from Tempo, Sir Neil Ramos. Ayan, over there.
Hi sir, magandang hapon. Good afternoon po. First question po kay Cindy. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Hi po. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
It's been a while na. Yung huli ka namin nakausap yata is like last year pa ba? This is your first project for the year or?
Yes po, adik sa'yo po.
Okay, yeah.
Tama.
What happened in the interim? Why the long lull?
Bakit?
Between projects, yeah. Bakit?
Actually po, may movie po talaga ako na nauna. Kaya lang pinalabas po tong una. I have a rom-com movie po na hindi pa nailalabas. Na ginawa ko po right after that. And I did a teleserye po in TV5 na lumuhod. Kalimutan ko yung title.
Lumuhod ka sa lupa.
Lumuhod ka. Yeah, thank you po. And ano ba, dalawa, Team A. Comedy po. So dalawa pong series yung ginawa ko nung last year. Kaya hindi po ako nag-film. Nag-film po ako September last year. And that is the rom-com po na kailangan nyo din pong abangan.
Okie-dokie.
Apo.
Second question, ma'am. It seems to me that the producers or the creators parang hindi sila nakapag-decide properly kung anong gusto nila tawag sa pelikula. No? Kumantong, tapos there's also Black Magic Baby. Have they discussed this to you prior? Ba't ganito? Paano yung presentation natin sa tao? Are we gonna present this like a Thai horror film or paano ba?
Kumantong po talaga, original po talaga na title po. Yun po talaga ang working title kasi doon din naman po umikot talaga yung storya ng movie. Sa dami po kasi ng revision, siguro nag-isip-isip sila kung papalitan ba natin yung title and all that. But, yun nga, nag-stick po kami sa Kumantong. Actually, this is not a typical po na horror movie kasi mahilig po ako mag-horror movie.
Yeah.
Nung tinanggap ko po to, I thought it's gonna be like, alam mo yung nanggugulat, alam mo yung horror typical po, di ba?
Jump scares, yeah.
Yes, mga ganun. No, slow burn po ito. Kasi may kwento po kami na it's a Thai, di ba? This is, ano ba, sa religion ng Thai,
Yes.
Kumantong. So, hindi po siya yung typical, more on drama, thriller, na may horror. Yun po talaga yung movie na to. So, medyo kakaiba po siya sa mga horror films na nakakasanayan ko. Ako din po, nung ginagawa ko to is this a horror or a thriller? Tinatanong ko po yung sarili ko. Pero yun nga po, dahil may mga scary parts din po, this is also considered a horror. Drama, thriller, horror. Tama?
Yes po.
Opo, yun po.
Okay, thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you po.
Ayan, thank you Sir Neil.
Salamat.
Asia Pacific Luminaire Awards. She also finished first runner-up at Eat Bulaga's Little Miss Philippines in 2019. Aside from her Netflix hit, she also starred in the films Silly Red Shoes, the 2022 Cinemalaya entry Bakit Di Mo Sabihin, Instant Daddy, Dearly Beloved, and the series The Haunted. Recently, she has been nominated as the Movie Child Performer of the Year at the 40th PMPC Star Awards for movies. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Althea Ruedas. Oh, hindi na kaya. Usok. Ayan. Hi Althea, ayan.
Hi po everyone! Hi!
Ayan. Ang galing-galing. Ayan. Tina. Alright. Thank you so much. Upo ka muna. Of course, to complete the cast here today, we have a lady with beauty and brains. She's crowned as Binibining Pilipinas Tourism in 2013, and from then on has started exploring the showbiz industry. We've seen her in numerous films such as Pambansang Third Wheel, Sangganos, Sanggagot, Sangguapo, My Husband, My Lover, Martyr or Murderer, Adik Sa'yo, Ikaw Pa Rin Ang Pipiliin Ko, and the TV series Minspan Panating Hagkan Ang Nakaraan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the very beautiful Miss Cindy Miranda!
Hello, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa aming press con ni Althea.
Alright, picture po ba muna? Alright, Althea and Cindy, sa harap po ng table muna for...
Pictorial po na.
Yes,
Okay.
pictorial muna po. Ayan. There you have it, everyone. We have Althea Ruedas and Cindy Miranda for this afternoon. Left, to the left please. Center. And then right. Alright, maraming salamat po, Cindy and Althea. You may now take your seats. Again, few reminders po from our minamahal namin mga kaibigan from the press. Please limit your questions to 2 questions, including your follow-up question to accommodate everyone. Please refrain from asking insensitive, offensive, and personal questions. We will only entertain questions